last week I predicted on the dollar index, and as you all know that anytime I want to, know the prediction of the week per week, anytime I want to know the prediction of the market per week, I usually go to DXY, that is dollar index. It is the dollar index that will give you the clue of what the likely to happen to dollar, either base currency or dollar as post currency. So when you look at this, you will discover that market has broken the structure. We can see the structure here. Market has broken the structure, broke it up. And you can also see, this level, market has also broken the structure. So as the market it is now, we are targeting the market to reach the next level, which is around this place. But presently the market is really around this place, which is when you draw the line across, you can see that the market is still rallying around this place. So for this week, we may likely to see a pullback, or we can see a breaking of the level. So when we see a candle break above this, so our expectations is to get to $114, $114, $0.004. So when it jump out from 110,300, then the next level to target is 114, that's 114, per dollar. So this is the analysis. I'm still expecting a breakout for this week. So let's see a breakout for this week. So the market is still rallying around the 110,300. So you can see. So for those of you who want to trade for this week, you can patiently wait for the market to break above. On a daily basis, we can see on a daily time frame, you can see a kind of pullback. You can see a pullback, and the market is still going up again. So let's do our trend line and see what the market is going to. Okay, so you can see the book out. You can see touch 1, touch 2. This is dynamic support. Touch 1, touch 2. This is touch 1, touch 2, then touch 3. So we are expecting this week for the dollar index to still move up. So for this week, we are still targeting to get to the next resistance level as it's going now. Resistance level. But mind you, this is another breaking or structure we're expecting. So if it is this place, we're expecting the market to break this place. So if the entire candle, break above this level, then we are going up for this week. So we are going up for this week. So for those who want to trade, dollar index as base currency, when the dollar is, is moving up as base currency, like USDJPY, USDCHF, USDCAD, what are we expecting? We are still expecting that USDCAD, USDCHF, and USDJPY to be moving up. So we need to patiently wait for the market to break this level, and we target this week for for buy. Now, but in the case of sell, you see, this is not valid. The sell is not going to be valid until the market break below the this support level. So from here, so until market breaks here, before we can now determine that the dollar index will be coming down for this week. But I still have a conviction that dollar is still going up based on my analysis on this. So let's go to gold. For those of you who want to trade gold, let's look at the gold. We can see the movement of gold this week. Last week we can see the up and down for the gold. Gold went up and also came down on Friday. So, and the CPI for last week pushed the gold down on the CPI day, and at the same time, he push it up again. So, and when you look at the market, the gold, movement for some months now, gold has been a bullish move. So you can see it has been a bullish direction. You can see it has been a bullish direction. We have an uptrend. So we have, a bullish direction. So then gold is approaching, a major resistance level. So which is around 2,800 and 2008. But from the prediction, some analysis have predicted that gold is going to 2,900. Gold is going to 2,900. So that is our our target for the gold. But you can see last week gold for the past 3 to 4 weeks now, gold has formed a solid support level and started moving from a support level, and you can see we have a support level. So here, so for the past 3 weeks now, we can see the gold, moving now. That's why I normally say that if you want to easily dictate the direction of the market, it's good for you, to do your analysis or do your, know your directions from higher time frame. And when you look at the weekly time frame, you can see the market has been moving for some time, moving up for some time. So I'm expecting the markets to break this place. If you break 2,000 it breaks 2,720, then 2,725, then we are good to go. And the gold will move all the way from here to 2,900. So for this week, let's see what the gold is going to do for this week. So you can see that we're having a solid resistance level here. So as long as we have a solid resistance level here, we are not expecting the markets to go up until it breaks above the 12,725. So let's look at where we can have a support, level. We can have a kind of support level here. So which means when the market, rally down to this place, if it refuses to break here, then we see the continuation. So let's see the major support level again. This is our major support level again. So for the major support level, for this week, I don't really have a total conviction that gold is coming down. So until if it breaks some levels before I can have a total conviction. So, and what are the levels? So which means if I see the gold breaks below, if it breaks below this level, which is around 2,690, if you break below 2,690 here, then it's an opportunity for us to 2,690. So it's an opportunity for us to sell. If it breaks below here, so it's an opportunity for us, to sell down to 2,660. So 2,660. So for those of you who want to trade gold, you can see 2,660. 660. So that is where we are expecting the gold, to reach. And for this week, don't be surprised, we can see a kind of a ranging market for gold, up and down, up, down, until eventually break. Is there a break above? Something like if you break above, then we'll be seeing an opportunity to, to sell. To buy. If you break above, we see an opportunity to buy, and this is going to be a longest, a very long trade opportunity for, for good, to reach 2,000. Now, don't forget that the analyst has already predicted that it's likely that they have already forecast that it's likely that when the market, is going up, it will reach 2,900. So that is it. And for those who want to trade for this week, you need to be very cautious and careful about the good. So because we'll be seeing a kind of rally up and down, ranging before it will break, it will break. So let's go to Euro USD now. So Euro USD, we predicted last week that Euro USD is coming down, and so let's do the analysis on Euro USD. So we predicted last week that Euro USD is coming down, and eventually the you can see the movement of the Euro USD. So let's look at what's going to happen for this week on Euro USD. Let's see impulse correction. But when you look at the trend, you can see that we have a downtrend for Euro USD. So which means for this week, the trend is still continuing. The downtrend still continues. So my bias mind, my outlook for Euro USD still sell, but we need to consider some level, some previous level, which is a confluence level. So we need to consider around this place. We need to consider this. Let's look at this. When we look at this let's look at 1.850, 00850. So around this place, you can see, the market to be kind of rally. Then let's look at this level too, around this previous resistance level. You can see previous resistance level. So the market is reacting, to this previous resistance level. So for this week, we are still expecting the market to break below. If it breaks below, then it's coming down. And if it breaks this level, then we have a final destination for Euro USD, which is 0.9, 730, 9730. So which means for Euro USD, we still have a long way for that moment. But I told you we have to, markets used to move from one place to another. So let's go to the daily time frame and see how we are going to plot out some key levels for us to trade Euro USD for this week. For the beginners, Euro USD is one of the currency pairs you can trade. It doesn't cost too much. You can see the, you can see the key levels. So you see the markets try to break this level, but it couldn't break. It went up again. Then it broke. Then it entered again. This is freight breakout and started coming down. So for this week, we are still expecting, the market to reach this level, So which is continuation for bearish movement. But we need to see it to break this resistance support level. This is support level. So if the market breaks this support level, then we'll see the market look for opportunity to sell from here down to this place. And if it break this, this level too, we are still expecting the market to reach down to this place. So for this week, I still have a bearish, bias mind, but we still need to be very careful because, like I told you, for gold will be doing rally, a kind of rally movement. So likewise, we can also see, this kind of rally movement, So we see a ranging movement, but just be expecting kind of breakouts. So if you break out, from this level, then we sell. We sell from here. So from this place, from this breakout level to this, at least we have about 80 pips. And if it breaks below also, we have how many pips? We have 90. So like 90 plus 80. So that's 210. So let's see. I mean 90, sorry. So 90 plus 80, that's 170. So we still have movement market to move from this place to this place with 170 pips. So let's go to GBP USD. GBP USD. Let's see what the GBP USD is going to give us for this week. So we have been selling GBP USD for some weeks now. So let me do another analysis and see. Okay, we have been selling GBP USD since last week. So let's do another analysis and let's see how GBP is going to work for this week. So this is weekly. Then let me. So for GBP USD, you can see the massive sell. So you can see downtrend for GBP USD for some, for some weeks now. You can see the massive sell, and you can see some levels the market breaks. It broke here, then it also broke here. So then we are expecting the market to break some level again, which is this level before you see the market, start rally. So for those who want to trade GBP, you need to be very careful for this week because GBP is approaching support level now. So, but if it eventually break this level, then which is 1,200, if you pay 1.200 around this place, 1.2 thousand, then it breaks this level now, we see the market rally down, see the market blowing and moving down to this level, which is about how many pips? So about 170 pips. So for those of you who want to trade, I still believe that GBP is coming down. We have about more than 1,000 pips for GBP, more than 1,000 pips for GBP, you can see. So because the GBP USD went, from this level went up, and which date we can see that was October 2022, and you see, so this market is likely to get back to this place, but from there you'll be seeing a kind of up movement and down movement. But let me tell you that so let's see what's going to happen. Let's see what's going to happen for this week. So let's go for this week and see what the market is going to give us for this week. Okay, so you can see the market has broke the the supports, the support level, and it's now a resistance level here. So we still expect the market to do a kind of rally for this week, moving up and down. For those of you who want to trade GBPUSD, it is better you patiently wait for the market to retrace back. Easy, like you can see impulse correction. So you can see let him do a little retracement before you can look for opportunity to buy. Is a little retracement before you can sell, So let the market do a little pullback, do a little pullback before you will now sell. Because when you look at the current level, you can see we have a support level currently now. So we need to wait for this level. So USDCAD is still in bullish, still moving on, but we need to know where is it heading to. So let's look at where the USDCAD is heading to, so that we need to know where to take our take profits. You can see we have this level now. This is where the market is now is trying to head into. So that's 1.46700. 46700. So now let's now see where can we have opportunity to join the market. We can see an uptrend. So you can see an uptrend right now. So where can we join the the trades for us to the opportunity to buy? So let's go to 4 hours and see. So we can see at the 4 hours, what are we seeing? We are seeing a ranging market. See, this is a rectangular chart patterns. So that shows a ranging market. So, and the market is trying to do impulse correction, and I kind of equal high, equal low, equal high, equal low. Then that jump, that was on Friday. It jumped out of the what? Out of the zone, out of the level. It jumped out of the level. So which means we are still expecting USDCAD to do a kind of a pullback for this week, and start continue, or start moving up. So for this week, Euro USD market is still moving up, and we are targeting around this place here. So which is 16200. So 162, targeting 162 for USDJPY. But we need to look at how we can have an opportunity to join the movement, and you need to be very careful this week for USD CAD and USDJPY. So you can see a support level here, and the market has broke the minus. It has broke the ranging. It was ranging. Okay, it was ranging here, and has broke this level. So what we need to do is this. Let me look at Fibonacci retracement. Even as this market is doing a pullback, where is it likely to start buying? So I'm expecting it around this place, which is 50 and 61.8. Movement 61.8. So when the market do a kind of a rally, let's say it do a kind of pullback from here, do a pullback down to this place, then we can look for opportunity to start buying from here and take our profit around this place. Alternatively, if we see the market break above this level, the previous level, which is previous structure, which is you can see the uptrend. I mean, you can see the breaking out, then you see a pullback. So if the market break above this level, then we see a continuation for massive buy. So which means I'll be looking for an opportunity to buy. If breaks above this place, then I will look for opportunity to buy and buy. You see, from there you can build retracements. Then I will look for opportunity to buy and take my profit again. So from this place now, to this place, we have 500 pips. So you see, have extra 500 pips, but we need to be very careful at this level. We have a kind of a resistant level that the market will be reacting. Market will be reacting. So if the market breaks above this level, then we cannot look for opportunity to buy. Then you do a retest, then you do a pullback, then you can see the continuation. So let's do the last one, which is USDCHF. let's do USDCHF. Let's see what the market is going to, do for us for USDCHF. This USDCHF, you can see last week USDCHF also, bought last week. So let's see what's going to happen for this week. Are we still expecting buying or selling? So you can see this is for some months now. Some months we are seeing a kind of a ranging. The market is doing a kind of ranging, a ranging market. We can see a ranging. You can see we have a solid support and resistance. So for this week, this is straightforward, market opportunity. It's an uptrend. So for this week, if the market managed to break above, then we will see the market, they will, rally to, to hop, which is 94, 500, 94, 500, 94, 500. So we see the market, if it breaks above 92,400, 92,400, if it break 92,400, then we see that, let's see how many pips can we get so that we'll be able to know how we can, plan our trade for this week. So you can still see under we have a minor, support level, and the market reacted last week to this on Friday, so throughout the Friday. So from there, let's see from after the breakout to this place, how many pips can we, look into? We are looking to 200 pips. So just patiently wait for the market to break above this this level before we can look for, but before we can look for buy opportunity. But we still have, an uptrend. These are an uptrend, so which we still believe that the market is still going up. So we have an uptrend. This is an uptrend. So market is still going up. Can you see from here down to up to, So for this week, I'm expecting the market to break above before we can now look for opportunity, to buy. So let's see AUDUSD, AUDUSD. Let's work on AUDUSD. So AUDUSD. So what are we looking at on AUDUSD for this week? This is AUDUSD, and we are merely looking at AUDUSD. You can see that the market was doing, a kind of rally movement, which is, as you can see, a kind of ranging market. Can you see around this ranging market? Can see ranging market. So this is, we have up, we have down, up, down, up, then down, and the market has broke this level. So as long as we see the market break, we should not forget the minor level here, which is our support level. So market is still working around this. So but if you break this level as it is now, where are we expecting the market to AUDUSD to go to? So see, we have a downtrend, have a very nice movement. So let's look at the level. Let's see where the next level where the market is going. So we are expecting the markets to, get to this place, and from here, get to this place, and from here gets to this place. So when you look at it, you will see that for this week, I still have a strong, strong belief that the market is still going to sell. But let's look at how we can use the opportunity to sell USD, AUDUSD, to set AUD all the way from here. We have, we have a how many pips to get to this place? This is 250. Now let me see what level is this. We have 599, let's say 600, 0.600. So 6,000. So this is where we are expecting the AUDUSD to move. So you patiently wait for the market to break below this this level, then before we now look for opportunity to sell. Before we look for opportunity, we still have minor trend, which is the inner trend. So we need to wait for the market to break this minor support level. When it breaks, then you can now have an opportunity. Is where we can have an opportunity or get an opportunity to sell. So all the way from this level down to this place. So for me, my analysis for this week is still sell. I'm still looking for opportunity to sell AUDUSD. So I have a lot of about 4 to 5 confirmation to know that AUDUSD is still coming down. Number one, I'm seeing a downtrend. Then number two, I'm seeing a breaking of trend. Then number three, I'm seeing the market is at the level, which is at the support level, which I so much believe that it's going to break. Then I'm also seeing a kind of channel. Number four, I'm seeing a channel, so which I believe that we are still a kind of descending channel, and you can see a descending channel like this. So that gives me an assurance that AUDUSD is coming down. AUDUSD is coming down all the way from here, but we need to presently wait for the market to break here before we can look for opportunity to sell. So these are my analysis for this week. If you need more of this analysis, please, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel so that you can get more information about this, or you can also check and subscribe to our Telegram channel. We have a Telegram channel where we normally post. So subscribe to our YouTube, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also at the same time subscribe to my Telegram channel so that you can be seeing a daily signal. We also have VIP Premium Telegram channel where we post both long-term trade and short-term trade signals. Then if you want to learn forex market, you can also learn forex market. We have online training and we have our whole physical office in Kwara State. If you're interested, you can send me a message. Thank you very much. Remember these 3 things. Thank you very much. Remember these 3 things as a trader that, before you take any trade, you need to do your analysis. Number one, that you need to look for a confirmation entry. Then number 3, you need to have a proper, risk money management. These are the things that can give you, opportunity to trade and make money in forex market. Thank you very much. See you next week. Bye for now.